All right, guys, so we are done with the braid, our box braid. Okay, this is what we have. This is what you should have when you finish weaving. Okay, you see it's looking all beautiful. This is another one. Okay, you see. All right, and this is what the back will look like when you are done. You have a strip you will use to tie it. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'll just show you how to finish it up. All right, so this is what you have left. Okay, you just, this is what you have left, Abby. You bring it together like this. Okay, like this. Before that, you should have this. So I measured 3 inches on fold, and then I sew it and I turned it inside out. All right, this is 8 inches, 8 inches length, and the width is 3 inches. So you will sew it. We are not new to this process, and then you turn it inside out. This is going to be the handle for tying. So you have it in 2 places. Okay, so this is one and this is one. This is my turban already made, okay, for the weave. All right, okay, so when you are done weaving and you're left with just this little to go, you just bring them together like this, like you did when we were going to start weaving. You bring them together like this. You can trim off this little s because it's not going to do anything, and then you tack it together like you did at the beginning of the weave. So you tack it together. All right, after tacking, you will then wear it inside this pipe somewhat you've made. Okay, you chuck everything in like this, okay, into the pipe, and then you tack it together to give it the handle. Okay, you tack it together to give it the handle. Let me show you what I did on this one so you understand I'm trying to say. Okay, this is one. This is the handle I'm talking about. So I wore it into the remainder, okay, and I tacked it together. So you can see these are the places where I tacked together. All right, so you do it on both sides. Okay, this is the handle, this is your both handle, and you are good to go. And your braid, your box braided turban is ready. Okay, this is it on the head of my turban. All right, and we are good to go. Thank you for staying tuned. You do have a good day.